In this case study, we are going to discuss about the OMRON Integrated Machine Controller. So what is the OMRON Integrated Machine Controller is nothing but they are an Intel developed embedded machine controllers. So let us discuss about this deeply. So what is that equipment manufacturing changes the platform architecture to deliver a high performance controller. Programmable logic controllers, that is PLCs, are used to perform automation for the diverse range of equipment, including the industrial machines, elevators, and automatic doors. These PLCs process input from a variety of sensors together with the recipe data predefined by the user to generate outputs to relay and other actuators. By speeding up the throughput of the input process output sequence, the PLCs can control machines of the factory floor at even higher speeds, resulting in the increased manufacturing productivity. In recent years, the number of machines that integrate both motion control and relay switches has increased. Motion control enables the electric motors to perform the position control in the machinery such as machine tools, robot control, semiconductor production equipment, and injection molding machines. By increasing input-output throughput, a PLC can control motors with a greater precision, thereby enhancing the processing quality. Currently, maximum input-output throughput of the conventional PLCs is around 1 millisecond for simple input-output configurations. In more complex cases, such as the simultaneously controlling the motions of multiple motors, conventional PLC architectures changes in the order to handle more input-output with a higher throughput, whereas it can control a few hundred microseconds or less. And the previously, when why the adopting of Intel architecture to resolve problems in previous models is previously the PLCs were designed with the proprietary ASIC, that is application specific integrated circuits as we know, and the general purpose embedded processors used to control and monitor the system. The ASIC running the user program predetermine the core processing performance and functionality of PLC. A drawback on the approach is this custom ASICs are expensive to develop and manufacture, particularly with the higher cost associated with the latest semiconductor technologies. The production of ASICs requires a unique and costly photo mask, which are amortized over the relatively small volume, making the cost per chip very high compared to ASIC used in the mass production household appliance. Another issue is lead time, since ASIC development can take a long as well as 2 years, followed by more time needed to test and qualify operation of specific, that is application specific integrated chip as a part of a PLC system. And in today's competitive environment, conventional ASIC based architecture poses some major challenges in the area of cost and development. And despite these issues, industrial customers continue to demand controllers with high performance and more sophisticated features. To satisfy the needs of the customer, equipment manufacturers are under increased pressure to produce both products at the faster pace. Having recognized the limits of developing controllers based on ASICs, Omron Corporation responded by switching its entire development process to an entirely new architecture that runs their control software on an Intel processor based hardware platform. So here this is the reason why Intel based processor platform has developed by the Omron, and you can see that is the major things are shorter development times, underlying functions, software reusability. So this gives an high performance Intel processor based hardware platform. Next, and the Intel architecture product roadmap is industry leading thanks to that development model, because that successful delivers the next generation silicon technology and new microprocessor architecture year after later. By pursuing this step-by-step strategy, Intel continues to develop microprocessors that demonstrate world-class performance, power efficiency, and advanced technology such as visualization and remote management. With these features, controller developers can design more innovative products that address the growing requirement of industry customers today and tomorrow. OMRON, a new integrated machine controller, is based on the Intel architecture and supports all the underlying PLC functions. This architecture approach follows OMRON to devote more resources to the software development and focus on the improving the performance of applications. And using these Intel proxy eliminated the need for the new ASIC development, thereby significantly shortening the product release period. This means Omron can react promptly to new market and customer needs as well as the other factors that drive the product changes. And moreover, the stability and dependability of the Intel products roadmap enables the Omron to keep the pace with the medium to the long-term challenges in the customer behavior and more easily respond to the wide range of customers. And thus designing with the software backward compatibility, Intel architecture provides greatly improvements, and the software assets and allows the developers of the integrated machine controls to take the advantage of leading edge programming tools. And recently, industrial applications have emerged that requires the, controllers with the computing performance and advanced function equivalent to the PC, providing the option of selecting a microprocessor with even higher processing performance. The Intel architecture facilitates developers who are designing a family of advanced high performance next generation controllers. Thank you.